What's up YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdy Gator. You guys, I am about to go into Dollar Tree. I can't wait to see what's new. I'm hoping maybe some new Halloween things. Let's see. Excuse me? My store has all the candy up front. Aww. Whoa, all the Halloween stuff is out. Giant eyes, keep out. Black Hat Society. Trick or treat. Black cats, witches' hats, beware of flying brooms. Gotta try not to get kicked out of here, you guys. These are cute. Happy Halloween. Oh, the kitty is so cute. They have a lot of these this year. The hanging decor. It's kind of nice and flowy. I kind of like the ghost. Whoa, look you guys. This is brand new in my store, this whole display. I love those. Those are back from last year. This little guy is so cute. They have the furry spiders down here. Oh, the owl is so cute. I love the owl. Welcome to our web. The owl is the best. Keep out and blood splatters and help. Handprints. These little things are back. Oh, they have 2 packs of spiders. Ornaments for the spooky trees. The big eyeball. A lot of these are back from last year. The LED color changing spider. Those are cool. I like that they're clear. And they have a suction cup. The face paint. The little headband kits. I love this stuff. I've never purchased any. I just like to squeeze the package. Ooh, look at this. That is brand new. And these two. Also in the purple. They also have these candles. And these are new in my store this week. Ooh, look at the hand. And the purple. Aww. I thought the owl was my favorite, but I think the ghost might be my second favorite. I don't know. Let's go see. What do you guys think? Vote down in the comments below. Which one is your favorite? Because I really like cute Halloween stuff. Do you like the ghost the best or the owl? I really love both of them. This is pretty cute too. Creepy cloth. And of course, the cards. And I think these are all by Hallmark. They are. What do happy little ghosts say? I have to know. Boo. And who has wished a happy Halloween? You. Uh-oh. What do vampires and goblins eat on their nachos? Halloweeno poppers. Just in case so you were wondering. Corny. It's Halloween. Guess what I am? Yours. That is adorable. Have an enchanted night. Sending glowing good wishes for a bright and happy Halloween. My store also has the plates. And you get 18 in a pack, not 12, 18. I like this one. Oh, look at this one with the candy corn. And then we have all the matching napkins. And we get 18 in a pack. These are all just so cute. And they have the little cups. But I don't think they're BPA free. You guys know I get distracted a lot. Look what I found. Knee highs, little llamas, and cats, and cupcakes. Oh, look at the pandas. Ooh, look at these spiders. I got one of these for my niece. I hope she likes it. This is a little painting set. Cute felt stickers. I'm pretty sure these ones are new this year. And I think the little owls are new as well. These are so cute. I love how it's stitched out in the white. Well, it's not really white stitching. It's kind of like faux white stitching. And then they have the little create a scene stickers. And the cute little mini piñata craft kit. That is so cute. They even have little putties, little slimes. If you're doing a non-candy trick-or-treating night or a non-candy party. I wanted to see if we have any new makeup over here. Ooh, what's this? Q-Tex deodorizing foot cream. That is definitely new this week. And then they also have the Q-Tex all-in-one hand and cuticle cream. And this one is in grapefruit. I think I'd like to try that. Whoa, my store is really loaded up with makeup, but unfortunately, it just looks like a lot of repeats. I think these are new though, the 2 packs of Wet n Wild. The Soak Off nail caps. Those are new. Oh, these are back. The cute little makeup brushes. And the little Crayola lip balms. Those would be really, really cute for stocking stuffers. My Little Pony. They have Ryan's World lippies here. And Jolly Rancher. Oreo. Hostess. The Crayola nail polish. Donut flavored lip balm. Jojo Siwa. Paw Patrol. LOL Surprise. Smushy Mushy. This is the time, you guys. Start getting your stocking stuffers now while it's stocked up. They even have the little Crayola nail stickers. Ooh, and look at all these different colors of eyelash curlers. I really like mine. They totally redesigned their eyelash curlers. They look much sturdier now. Mentos orange, grape, and strawberry. And my store still has the lashes. These and the faux mink lashes. I found a couple more Halloween things over here. Just some lights, some bracelets, the little stackable candy bins, black lights, the little lanterns. Oh, and I love these, the little zipper seal bags. My store has the cute little brushes. Again, these would be super cute stocking stuffers. And I'm just finding more and more socks. The narwhals. So cute. Well, hey you guys, that's it for me here in Dollar Tree. If you guys enjoyed coming along, hit the like button, share with me down in the comments below. And if you haven't yet, hit that little button and subscribe. Well, all right, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Bye.